If you can stay to the end of this video, then it's going to tell me and it's going to tell you exactly if you're going to be successful or not. It's not going to be very long at all. It's not going to be a waste of your time. All you have to do is stay to the end of this video and focus. Look me in the eyes and focus on the video. Don't get distracted by anything around you. Put your phone away. Take all of the tabs off your computer and just focus on this video. Now, if you really want to improve yourself, you're going to watch this video because it's going to tell you exactly what you need. It's your focus that is completely fucked up because the world has created all of these instant gratification sources like social media especially, and even Netflix now. All of these platforms are trying to get your attention, and we're bombarded with all of this dopamine that isn't really good for us. So, how do you focus more? Let me take an example of someone who has the attention span of a goldfish and someone who can focus for hours. You think about that person with the attention span of a goldfish. They can't go longer than a couple minutes without reaching for their phone and scrolling on TikTok or sending a Snapchat. Whatever you want to do, they can't focus for longer than a couple minutes. Whereas you take this person over here who can focus for a couple hours at a time. They are going to get so much more work done and to a higher standard as well because they are able to reach their flow state, which is the most productive, which is the most productive state that we can possibly reach. And that's why you probably heard about these deep flow and deep work states. All of that stuff comes when you can focus. You cannot be wasting your time every 5 minutes checking social media. That is not how you reach your focus level. Now, why is focus so important for success? Well, like I explained before, if you can focus on one specific task at a time for hours and hours, you're going to be so productive for that day and for days to come if you can do it day after day, because you're going to be able to get all of your ideas down onto that one piece of work. You're going to be pouring them out and just working, and you're actually going to enjoy it because it's going to feel easy when you reach that flow state. Now, where does discipline come into all of this? Well, discipline is the act of doing things when you don't feel like doing them. And pretty much why you should rely on discipline over motivation. Motivation, you cannot rely on it. It shows up when it feels like it, and it's pretty much an emotion that you feel when you set a new goal or you think about something new, you have a new idea, something like that. That is when you feel motivation. Now, discipline, on the other hand, takes time to build. It takes weeks, months, even years to properly build it and ingrain things into your routine. Discipline is the key to getting your focus and unlocking it. Because if you can do the work that you need to do in order to achieve your goals on the days you don't feel like doing them, then you're going to help develop your focus. And your focus is ultimately what you want to get to so that you can start pouring hours and hours into your work at a time and you're not going to get distracted. So then you can pretty much just build and build on that and start to see the results that you're looking for. You have to start small though. It's not going to come instantly. It's not going to be easy, but start with 5 minutes of work. Take out 5 minutes of your day for a whole week. 5 minutes, I'm going to go outside and go for a walk. 5 minutes, I'm going to do some study. 5 minutes, I'm going to write down exactly what I need to do for today. Pick out a goal and spend 5 minutes on it every single day and focus directly on that task for those 5 minutes. Do not let your attention slip during those 5 minutes. I want you to purely focus on why on that task for those 5 minutes. Then the next week, after that first week of 5 minutes, up it to 10 minutes. 10 minutes every single day of focusing on that task. You're not going to feel like doing it some days, but you need to get it done because this is how you're going to build the discipline and how you're going to build the focus. Third week, you up it to 20 minutes. Fourth week, 30 minutes, and so on and so on. You keep gradually building up the time that you spend focusing on the task. And this is, I promise you, this is going to get you the results that you're looking for. And so when we rely on the discipline instead of our motivation, we're able to do those things on the days we don't feel like doing them. And why is this important? Because you're going to be that person who wakes up and feels like, oh, I can't be bothered doing it today. You're going to beat them every single time if you can do it day after day after day, even when you don't feel like it. So that is how you build success and how you build your focus in order to achieve success in specific goals that you have. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Free mini course down in the description. First link. May as well subscribe because I'm helping you become the best version of yourself and live your best life in 2023 and for the years to come, hopefully. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.